welcome. This is P. Sierra here, and I'm just showing you today what I've been working on. I haven't been on YouTube for a while just because I've been working on this project. I've made a few versions. Right now I'm working on 3.7 because I didn't like the other versions that much. There was always something wrong with it, and right now this is the best one I have, and it's looking pretty good. I'm gonna add some stuff from the older ones, and it's gonna be pretty good. This is Blue Atom 3.7. 3.7. Let me show you 3.0 first, if it'll load, because sometimes it loads really slowly. That's 3.0. I did a few changes from the last one, from 3.0. Major change was that I used a different web browser engine. I'm using the Firefox engine, which is also called Gecko, the Gecko engine, which is the one that Firefox uses, so that you can see, many different things. It has lots of features, but at the same time it's missing some from the default one that Visual Basic uses, which is the Internet Explorer one. Well, it hasn't loaded yet, so I'm just gonna continue on right here. Here it is. 3.0. Give it a second. Okay. Alright. So this is 3.0. Blue Atom Web Browser 3.0. So this is the first kind of one I made right here. I have a few options: new tab, new window, save page as, share, print, options, page properties, page setup. The options is what I really liked. I'm probably going to incorporate something like this in 3.7. I still haven't put the options in 2.7 because I'm still developing it. Here's the tabs, show home page, show blank page, visual, ribbon minimize, ribbon maximize, general, general settings, select your search engine, AOL, Ask, Bing, Google, So it's pretty cool. This is really what I liked about this. So, you also have visual styles, minimize, maximize, choose the styles. I have Windows 7 on 3.7 right now. This is what it looks like. So, the major change that you saw from this one, 3.0 and 3.7, and now the one you could probably see is that I've, made these buttons smaller. You see, because I've had a few complaints saying that the buttons are too big, but at the same time that it helps having them a bit bigger than the normal web browsers, because it's easy to understand for users who don't usually use the internet. So, like your grandpa, whatever. So right here, you see the search, home, refresh, add tab, move tab. We got this. 3.0. I'm still developing 3.7, so I'm going to incorporate some stuff from 3.0 into 3.7. Like, I have these little, whatever you call them. I forgot what you call these little things. Jeez. Well, you have these little, labels that come up when you hover over something. It gives you instructions or whatever. I'm going to have one of those. I'm going to have a few of those on 3.7. Really what I wanted to make 3.7 was, there's this problem here that, every time you get a status text and you don't have status text, the thing pops up, and that causes a real problem. So if you go like this, it gets all weird. So I decided to not do that, to not have it hiding. So it's going to be visible all the time, so unless you take it off, of course. I have Phase on this one. I'm going to incorporate Phase into a... There we go. I'm going to incorporate Phase into 3.7. I'm also going to have quick links. Here, let me show you 3.7 right now. I'm going to have quick links. So it'll show you YouTube, Google, or whatever, a few links over there that you can access quickly. I haven't put anything in edit right now. I have style, which I put in a dialog box. Black 2010. These are mostly made after the Microsoft Office versions. See that? And the thing is, the only problem is that when you convert, like, when you go from 2010 to 2007, it, you know, it kind of minimizes these, but it's an easy fix. You just go to a different one, you know, of the same, like, same category. So if you go to 2007 one, you just click another 2007 one, and it'll pop up back. You see that? It's just normal fix. Unfortunately, it'll do this on any version of this, just because I don't know why. It's probably a coding error. I have credits to DV Components, who would let me use these, which is what makes it look like Office 2007 and 2010. Yep. My favorite is Windows 7 though. I like that. You will show the downloads. It's a normal error. It's not really an error, it's just whatever. So, yeah, you can move this. And then, okay. You have the history. I don't have any history yet. Create a history button. Tab. Also, I have a cool search thing. I have cool search options that I haven't put the options yet, but once I get the options up, you'll be able to select your you'll be able to select your default search engine, and you'll be able to change your home page. Right now I have both of them set to Google. So I want to see this real quick. Look, you have, this is a URL bar, URL address bar, and it's also a search bar. So you click the URL address and the current tab will go to the URL address. Also, you have a search bar. So you have something like people, whatever, I'm using one hand, people, and you can click enter. You see it shows the icon, shows that it's moving, it shows that it's a web page now, and it shows that it was a search engine. Oh, and that it was searching. Whoops, that was my fault. Okay, where was it? Whatever. Sorry about that. That's my problem right there. I kind of scrolled up while it was still on the search bar. And the thing I'm going to have is that when you hover over it, it automatically gets like selected, so that you don't have any of those types of problems that I just had right there. Because I just scrolled, and then because I still had it clicked on the address bar, did that. But here you go. Yep. And then also click Gmail. When it starts with HTTPS, okay, wait a second. Okay, I see. When it starts with HTTPS, it's secured. Sorry about that. It's the 3.0 over here. Let me close this. Okay. Alright, it's all fixed. Sorry about that. Really, there isn't that many errors. It's just that 3.0 has lots of errors. That's why I didn't want to put that one up. That's why I'm working on 3.7. Okay, but when you go to a secure site, it shows, you know, a little lock icon over here, and it shows this. You click on this, and it shows the properties. Referring URL, all that stuff, doc type, whatever. So it's pretty cool. I have this, and then you go to YouTube. See, once you put the dot, it goes and thinks you're going to a website. Here we go. Give it a second. One of the other accounts on the computers has like something up right now, so it's making it slower than it really is. But just wait a second. Yeah. So it's pretty cool. And now, when you click on this search bar, you click on, see, alright, Bob, enter. This won't happen when you get it. So, okay. You see that? And it goes in a new tab and opens this up. You click Bob. So So yeah, this is pretty cool. Oh, and also when you switch tabs, it refreshes, so you get, a refreshed page, so you get the latest updates or whatever of that page, which is pretty cool. Not if you have slow internet connection, but not really. But for it should work fine. And it shows the save icon, so it's pretty cool. Thank you for watching this. This is PC Era here, and I'm gonna hopefully get done and upload it so you guys can see this. I was about to say something. Anyway, so thank you for watching. Hope I can get this up so you can download it, and thank you.